Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, this is your host, Santos Capelan Jr., always wishing you good day. Guys, today what I'm going to do is to create a new application. Uh, this will be for a simple computer usage monitoring system. Okay. Now, if you will notice in a cafe or in a computer shop, once you go inside that shop, then you want to use a computer, then of course they will be having some system that they will record your time in and the consumption and the amount that you have to pay once you stop using the computer. Okay, so now this is just a very simple computer usage monitoring system. Okay, now what I have here is my main form. So basically I have two form here, Windows form. One is this main form and I have my detail form. Okay, now, with this simple programming, I would like to introduce to you the other control like timer. Okay, then of course, we will be discussing also some basic concept in programming like variables. Okay, and of course, I have already discussed in my previous tutorial the global variable. Okay, so we have to, as a programmer, we need to grasp the concept of variables, the scope of variables, if it is local, public, and if it is global. Okay, now, so without further ado, let me start with this one by showing you the output of this tutorial. Okay, so let me run it for you. Okay, so let me share it so you will see the running application. Okay, guys, so this is my simple computer usage monitoring system. Okay, now as you can see here, I am just going to use 5 computers. Okay, then so just to walk you through with the graphical user interface, what we have here is this. Okay, now I have 5 computers here. Then uh, I will be displaying the amount to pay every minute. Okay, so it's just like a meter. Once you log in, the amount you have to pay will be displayed here. Now, the purpose of this is to make the cafe owner or the one in charge in the cafe to easily monitor what is going on with the computers. Okay, who are logged in, which computer is being used, okay, and how much the money they have to pay once they finish their time or their usage. Okay, so I have here PC number one, login, then the login hour, then the login minute, log out hour, then the log out minute, then the current usage hour minute. It will display that one. Then log out if the customer will say I want to okay, wait a minute. New share. Okay, where is this one? My God, okay, share. Okay. Now I hope you are seeing my screen. Wait a minute, I think I have some problem. Okay, now it's here. I hope you are seeing this one. So I have here my log out, then amount to pay will be displayed in this column, then prepaid. Now prepaid is, let's say the customer will say, once he entered the cafe, he will say, okay, I want a prepaid arrangement. Okay, so let's say the hourly rate is 15 pesos. He will say, okay, I will give you 15 pesos. Then when 1 hour is enough, then I will automatically finish my transaction here. Okay, then transfer station is, let's say this PC1 occupied and the user suddenly decide that he wants to transfer station for whatever reason, then you can do that one. Okay, now so in this scope of this tutorial, I will just give you an idea how this application works. Okay, so as you can see here, my hourly rate is 15. Then, okay, I have some buttons here, but anyway, let me just show you because I think my computer, okay, I have some problem with my computer here. I don't know what happened here. Okay, just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Okay, guys, let me resume. I have my application have some errors, so that's why I have to correct it first. Okay. Now, as I said, the scope of this part is to show you how this simple application works. Okay, so as I said, you can log in this PC1 number one. Actually, I just did the coding for PC number one. Okay, so just to show you how it works. Okay, log in. Of course, my system time now is 8:47. Okay, now so my login. Once I click the login, it will display here the current hour of my system, then the minutes. Okay, then as I said, the application is tailored like this. It will show the amount to pay every minute, meaning the amount to pay here will be updated every minute. Now I use their timer. Okay, so we will just wait till it will display some information here or the current amount. Okay, then here, okay, of course it should display also the current usage here. Okay, now I have to do the code for that one. Okay, now as you can see, my time in my system is already 8:48. Okay, so the consumption there, the amount to pay there will be 0.25 because my hourly rate is 15 pesos divided by 60. That will be every minute. That will be 25 centavos. Okay, so once I log out, let's just say we will log out this station number one or PC number one. Okay, so the concept is the timer that computes the amount to pay should be disabled, so it will stop computing. Okay, now 8:47, then 8:48. So once you click the log out, okay, then computer number one, usage 01, then please pay this amount 25. So once you click the pay, then there are some changes that I need to reflect in this tutorial. But anyway, this is just an introduction for a simple computer usage monitoring system wherein we will be able to learn some concept in programming, like just what I have said, the concept of global variables and the concept of adding another form in your application or in your solution. Then how are you going to transfer those global variables or those variables to the other form? Okay, so guys, I think this will be enough for this part one of this micronet or computer usage monitoring system. Then gradually we will try to develop this application so that it will give you more idea how are you going to do programming, computer programming using Visual Basic. So again, I do hope those who are watching this video tutorial, especially those beginners, it will be an opening door for you in computer programming. Now, I'm not saying that this Visual Basic is the best, or because if you really want to join the bandwagon for software development, you have to learn other programming language like C++, C, Python, and so on. So I'm just trying to open a door for you. Then if you feel comfortable with Visual Basic, then that's the time for you to move or level up. Go to C, C++, Python, and other object-oriented programming. Now, this one is just for beginners. Then, after this, when I was able to explain all the basic concept, then we will go to object-oriented OOP concept. Okay, so that will be a little bit more advanced topic for you. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for joining me here, and I do hope you will gain something or you will learn something from watching my video tutorial. Now guys, I have also tutorials in building management system on how you will become a building or a BMS engineer. Okay, so guys, again, thank you for joining me. And before I will end, God bless us all. Let's all be safe and bye for now.